This is the complete set of 6 World Industries world's smallest DIY tech deck fingerboards. Each of these comes with all the parts and tools needed to put together one board. And this series actually was released last year in the full size to help celebrate the 25th anniversary of Tech Deck being released. And these are just the shrunken down version of them. A bunch of really cool old school World Industries graphics. And I'm going to go ahead and open up the Flameboy Apocalypse Now graphic, which I opened up the full-size version of it earlier on the channel. I'm excited to get this all put together and compare them side by side. I like that this set includes a tool as well as a miniature sticker sheet. Even though the board's super small, the graphic is super detailed and looks really nice in person. And on the top is the classic grip tape with the Tech Deck logo. And these come with an extra screw as well as an extra nut for the axles. And each of the trucks are held on only by one screw. It's really important not to over tighten anything, but since it's just the one screw holding everything on, I made sure to tighten it down nice and snug. And I'm going to go ahead and preload the nuts into the wheels and then put them on the truck axles. And it's super important to get the nut threaded properly on these trucks. And I found it was a little bit challenging to get them started at first, but I made sure to go slow so I didn't cross thread them. And I was able to get all 4 of them on. I think the wheels on these are actually the same size as a full-size board. However, the board is definitely a lot smaller. And other than that, everything's pretty similar as far as the bushings and all the other parts just shrunken down. For me, ollies and kickflips are pretty easy on a regular size tech deck, but on the miniature board, it's a lot more challenging. I was able to get a couple ollies, but then when it came to doing a kickflip, I came close, but I tried a bunch of times and was not able to get one. I did get this crazy shove it, as well as a nollie flip, and this really nice manual. But overall, these are a lot harder to use than the full-size boards, but still a lot of fun to play around with. And I like finding small little obstacles just laying around on my desk to play around with. Found this Allen key was a nice grind rail, and the box for the mechanical pencil lead is a really nice fun box, especially using some sticky eraser to stick everything down. And I made it into a nice little grind rail with fun box and little gap. While I found this board a lot harder to do flip tricks on, it's still a lot of fun to cruise around on and do grinds and other kind of tricks on small obstacles. And I went ahead and made the rails a little bit taller and tried doing some flip tricks out of the rails as well as some nose slides and some other grinds. And overall, this is a really fun, tiny setup to mess around with. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like button as well as subscribe for when I post my newest videos. Also, if you have not seen the video where I upgraded a Mini into a Pro Series on the channel, make sure to check it out. Until next time, peace.